Hey, baby. Yeah? We're gonna get you taken care of, okay, baby? We're gonna get you taken care of. You're in your new home? There's a peacock? There sure is. Hi. Oh, really? Oh, okay. I didn't bring any fish.
Gotta get a fish out of the tank.
You need fish? Oh, that's
That was
fish?
just a little snack.
Just a little snack. It's all over, babies. Are y'all?
Stay on the hand.
Eat? I didn't throw. I didn't throw.
They are a little crazy. Where they're all over. This is the pack area. I love her skinny leg.
Favorite bird. You are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. Hi.